look at the Notorious File Manager. We will discuss the basic of the Notorious File Manager, what exactly a file manager does, how to compare it to Windows Explorer, which is the Windows File Manager. The default file manager in the GNOME desktop environment that comes to the Ubuntu Linux is called Notorious. Notorious is available in the menu tree. Under Places, this is one place to get the Notorious File Manager. There are other ways to get the Notorious File Manager. By clicking on the Home folder, we'll open up the Notorious File Manager. There you see the title of the window is File Browser, and when you go to the Help menu and down About, you will see that this is Notorious. Again, Notorious is a graphical file manager for Ubuntu Linux and for the GNOME desktop. This could be the equivalent of Windows Explorer. In Windows operating system, Windows Explorer is different from Internet Explorer. Of course, Internet Explorer is a web browser that comes from Windows. A Windows Explorer is a file manager that is available when you for example, double-click My Computer on your Windows desktop. This particular application, Notorious, is the equivalent of that. Now, the very basic of the top is the File, Edit, View, Go, Bookmarks, and Help. There's also an icon bar, Up, Reload, Home, Computer, and Search. The next section of the top half of the screen contains a shortcut and buttons side appear and disappear. As you navigate to the menu tree, this will become more evident later on. Results later in easily zoom in and zoom out also change the view as properties, this as a list of viewing or viewing as icons. Now there are Macintosh users using the Mac OS and may recognize these formats of a file manager somewhat somewhere, so find there on the far left hand side and shortcut or places the various locations on the file manager, and the main panel of the low right corner of the screen is the active panel, where this shows the contents of the directory that was in the given on. Now, closing out of the file manager again, there are multiple ways to get the file manager. One is the Home folder. The computer icon takes to the equivalent to My Computer on Windows, that is shows the various drives are available. By clicking in the Home folder again, take Home back to the Home folder. Now, the Notorious File Manager window, like most windows, can be resized. Simply clicking the middle button and going to the right hand corner in the bottom of the screen allows you to resize the File Manager window and move it around the screen as necessary. Additionally, at the bottom section of the File Manager window in the information bar, this will change depending on the context of the action being taken or the action being viewed. The currently of this number of items in the particular folder, which is again the Home folder, and the amount of the free space in this particular hard drives. Now the desktop folder is the special folder. It is the equivalent of the desktop that are here in the main screen. In other words, placing a shortcut on the desktop or discussed in another tutorial show the same shortcuts in the desktop folder. In other words, the desktop contents is usually the contents of this particular desktop folder. That is the end of this video tutorial. Thank you.